Right, so I've soldered more encoders onto these wee breakout boards. Each encoder uses 3 pins. So with 10 encoders, that'll be 30 pins that I'll need just for the encoders. There's only 40 pins on it, Teensy 4, and I'll be using some of them for the screen and the digital to analog converters and the LEDs and stuff like that. So I just cut some jumper cables and soldered them onto the 16 pads, and then here I'm just using a basic bit of code to cycle through each pin and make sure the ribbons are all soldered okay before I glue them on to make them a bit more secure. I'll take it out of the breadboard here and show the bottom. I used a bit of super glue and baking soda on this side already, so I'll do the same to the other now that I've checked it. Probably recommend using hot glue or something a bit more reversible. There's no way that super glue's ever coming off again. Something's definitely needed to make those wee solder pads strong though, that's for sure. So I'll hold it in place with some blue tack and make sure it's nice and level so the glue doesn't run everywhere. And then just give it a wee dab just to cover each pad. Then drop some baking soda on it to make it dry instantly and stop it running away. It leaves a nice solid mass. It keeps it all nice and strong then. So just add some more glue to the back there. Throw another wee bit of baking soda in there. And then just add another wee bit of glue. Then squash it all down with a coffee stick, just so the ribbon doesn't sit up above the pins or won't fit into the breadboard again. Then sprinkle some more baking soda over it and that'll dry it all up and form a nice solid mass. So I've wired up all the encoders now, and these 8 can change each of the 8 notes shown on the screen. I've also wired up a second analog converter and the 2 menu select knobs. So next job will be to code them. That's all for now.